Namaste and a very good morning, children. In my previous video, I had explained personal pronouns to you. So today we are going to learn more about possessive pronouns, that is the second part of this chapter. Possessive pronouns, as the name says, are pronouns that show possession. So let's learn more about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are those pronouns that show possession or ownership of something. The words like mine, yours, hers, etc. are some examples of possessive pronouns. So let's now look at these sentences given here. This book belongs to me, so it is mine. Mine is a possessive pronoun that shows that the book belongs to the speaker. In the second example, it's written, that chair belongs to her, so it is hers. Again, hers is a possessive pronoun that shows that the chair belongs to the girl being talked about. You must have noticed one more thing here, that we generally use an S with possessive pronouns like yours, hers and its. Now children, you must have seen that there are two more pronouns in these examples, me and her. This book belongs to me. Me is a personal pronoun in this sentence which is directly replacing the speaker who is a noun. So when we say this book belongs to me is a personal pronoun, but when we say it is mine is a possessive pronoun which shows possession. In the second example, when we say that chair belongs to her is a pronoun which is replacing a noun. It can be name of any girl. So when we say that chair belongs to Rita could be the name of some girl, and when we want to replace this noun with a pronoun, that pronoun is a personal pronoun her. But when we say so, it is hers is a possessive pronoun which shows that the chair belongs to this girl. So the words like hers, mine, yours, its, theirs are possessive pronouns, and we may conclude that most of the times possessive pronouns end with an S. I am not saying always, but most of the times, right? So in the examples which are given above, me and her are personal pronouns and mine and hers are possessive pronouns. Now children comes the point of possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. These are quite similar and sometimes cause confusion also. So let's understand the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Look at the second row here. Possessive adjective plus noun. This means that possessive adjective is always followed by a noun, whereas possessive pronoun plus no noun. By now you have already understood that pronouns are words that replace a noun, so we do not write a noun after a possessive pronoun. Let's look at the first example now. My. When we say my, it is a possessive adjective. How do we know? This is my book. My is being followed by a noun book. Therefore, my is an example of possessive adjective. Whereas when we say this book is mine is not being followed by any noun. Therefore, mine is an example of possessive pronoun. The second one, your. Is this your umbrella? When we say your umbrella, your is being followed by a noun umbrella, or it can be followed by any other noun. Therefore, your is an example of possessive adjective. Children, possessive adjectives are always followed by a noun because if you remember, adjectives are words that describe or define a noun. Whereas when we say yours, is this yours? Yours is an example of possessive pronoun, and already we have discussed that most of the times possessive pronouns end with an S. Here, yours is not being followed by any noun, therefore, yours is an example of possessive pronoun. The third one, his, can both be a possessive adjective and a possessive pronoun. So how do we know whether it's an adjective or a pronoun? Again, same thing. If it is being followed by a noun, then it is a possessive adjective. If there is no noun written after his, then it is an example of possessive pronoun. When we say he lent me his jacket, his is followed by a noun jacket. Therefore, his is an example of possessive adjective in the first column, whereas this isn't my jacket, it's his. In the second sentence here, we are not writing any noun after his. Therefore, his here is an example of possessive pronoun. And now the last pair, her and hers. When we say I borrowed her car, her is being followed by the noun car. Therefore, her is an example of possessive adjective. Whereas when we say the car is hers, hers is ending with an S. Moreover, it is not being followed by any noun. Therefore, hers is an example of possessive pronouns. Children, I am sure you must have understood the distinction between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Although these are similar, but there is a clear-cut distinction that possessive adjective is followed by a noun, whereas possessive pronoun is not followed by any noun, right? Now children, another point of concern is the possessive its and abbreviation its. Both are homophones, but there is a difference between the meaning of the two. If you see, possessive its is written without an apostrophe, whereas abbreviation its is written with an apostrophe. Let us understand the difference between the two. First, we are going to look at the red colored sentences. These are the explanation of the abbreviation or short form. Its, when we write with an apostrophe, is the abbreviation or short form contraction of it is. It is written with an apostrophe s. We always put an apostrophe when we are writing the short of it is. Let's look at the example. Look, it's my dog. When we are saying this, we mean that look, it is my dog. So whenever its is written with an apostrophe, you may translate it into it is. Whereas now let's look at the blue colored sentences. Its without an apostrophe is a possessive pronoun. It is never written with an apostrophe s. The example is pull the dog by its leash. Its means the leash that belongs to the dog. Now this its cannot be translated into it is. If I say pull the dog by it is leash, it is an incorrect sentence. So the difference between possessive and abbreviation is that whenever we are using abbreviation it's with an apostrophe, it is translated into it is. It is the short form of it is. Whereas it's, when we are using it as a possessive pronoun, it is never written with an apostrophe. Rather, all the possessive adjectives that end with an S are not written with an apostrophe S. That is why whenever we write a letter, we always tell you that when you write yours affectionately or yours faithfully, we do not write yours with an apostrophe S because it's a possessive pronoun. Children, I hope you have understood the concept of possessive pronouns, the distinction between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns, and the difference between its as a possessive and its with an apostrophe as an abbreviation. Now, let's move on to the book content and see what is given there. Let's learn. There is another type of pronoun which is called the possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are pronouns that stand for people or things who own something. So we have children already understood this, that possessive pronouns are pronouns that show possession. Examples: this computer is mine, that computer is yours. So mine shows that the speaker of this statement is the owner of this computer, and in the second sentence it comes out that the listener of this statement is the owner of that computer. The table below shows the possessive pronouns in singular and plural forms. So if it is the first person, that is the speaker of a sentence or statement, in singular it is mine, and in plural it becomes ours with an S. Whereas as second person, that is the listener of a statement, in singular as well as in plural, yours is the possessive pronoun. Now if you remember children, in the table of personal pronouns also, we just had one pronoun in second person, that is you, in all the places, singular, plural, and as an object and subject. So here also we have just one pronoun, that is yours. Now comes the third person. In third person singular, we have three options, that is his for masculine gender, hers for feminine gender, and its for neuter gender nouns. Whereas in plurals, we have theirs in all the three cases. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's move on to the tip box. The first point says, Possessive pronouns never come with an apostrophe s. I have already explained to you, children, that whenever we write any possessive pronoun, ours, yours, theirs, yours faithfully, these possessive pronouns are written without an apostrophe. Whereas in the second bullet you can see the short form of it is its with an apostrophe. This is not a possessive pronoun, but it is an abbreviation or contraction of it is. Third bullet says, don't confuse its with an apostrophe with the possessive its without an apostrophe. For example, it is my book can be written as it's my book with an apostrophe. But the bird has a nest. Its nest is small. This its shows possession. It's a possessive pronoun, so it is written without an apostrophe. Children, with this we finish the topic of possessive pronouns. I hope you have understood it. Thank you so much, and I wish you a great day ahead.